Hey YouTube, let's do a Crime by Big Red Machine. It's the Sharon Van Etten song they're covering. Let me play through it and then I'll teach it to you. Alright, let's go over the song. There's only 3 chords in the song. One of them, the first one, is F sharp minor. Okay, but I was just playing that on strings 4 through 1 with the 3rd finger. So I can get right into the E, which is the next chord. Okay, so E is the 2nd chord in the song, and the 3rd chord in the song is D. And that's just, that part is just D to E. And I'm just moving the D up 2 frets, and then it becomes an E. Just for that intro part. And then that's the first part, so it's F sharp minor to E, and then D to E, and that repeats. All right, the next part of the song is just a little section where it goes E, do, 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 E to D. And then there's this is like a little pre-chorus. It goes. Now let's see. I was playing the F sharp minor this way. You could play it like this too, though. That's kind of like this finger's playing the bottom 4 strings. And this finger is playing the bass note, and it's muting the A. So it's E, oh, it's a F sharp minor, E, D. I believe that repeats. And then the chorus, which is all kind of building towards, is the only time in the song where we go back to E from D. And then it goes, it goes. Here's the chorus. Five chords. E, D, F sharp minor, E, D. Never gonna myself love like this again. All right, so over that last part of the chorus, so we're on the D, we go, it goes half a measure, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2 on E, 3, 4 on D. And it goes a half measure on F sharp, half measure on E, and then it kind of plays like I think 4 measures on D. You can play the F sharp like this if you want to. So it would be. All right, E, D, F sharp minor, E, D again. All right, that's how you play it. Thanks for watching. Bye.